Welcome back, traders. This is Pips of Africa. I'm back with another video. As I was uploading part 2 of consolidation strategy. Now I'm back with another one, which is part 3. So good luck to everyone who's trading the strategy. This is the strategy that is being traded by smart man traders, big banks, big players in this forex business. So now I saw the consolidation above there. So I asked myself a question. This is the consolidation that I saw. This is the consolidation here. So I asked myself a question as I was teaching you that you have to ask yourself this question every day when you see the market consolidating. Now the market is creating consolidation. So the question that I was asking myself, where was this consolidation started? What sponsored this consolidation? So I looked down here because this is where this consolidation is coming from. So this whole thing initially started here on this bullish order block. So this is the demand, the sell to buy that caused the market to consolidate like here. That is what you see the consolidation here, because the market started introducing the demand down there. It introduced what the demand, then the market went to the upside, consolidating like this here. And then we know that as smart man traders, retail traders are currently selling the market here. They are currently buying the market. They bought here something like, let me put it like that. They bought here based on this double bottom. So retail traders bought here based on the double bottom. Now, as smart man traders, we want to see the market moving to the downside, because if you join your support here, your trend line here, you will see that retail traders were buying. Let me see if I can join it here. If I can join it here. Retail traders are currently buying the market here, right? They are currently buying the market somewhere here. From this touch here, they have 1, 2 touch. This one, this is the third touch. So of course they are buying from this this move here. They want to push the market to the upside, and they might be right this time because there's liquidity up there, right? There's liquidity up here, right? So there are these traders who are currently selling the market, who are in sell positions here. These traders might be right because the market might push the upside, creating liquidity above. And also these ones who are selling, they might be right as well because the market might push the downside for mitigation of this order block, which you see here. This was the demand that caused the market to consolidate above here. So these are the things that I was showing you on the previous video, on the part 2. Now this is the part 3 of the consolidation strategy. I want you to know how to trade the market in the simplest way. So now the market is currently consolidating above here. This is just, the market is just ranging here, creating liquidity underneath, right? But we know as smart man traders that the market has to come below, mitigating this order block, which you see here. Let me try to make it visible. Now I'll go ahead and draw and highlight this order block here so that it will be clear to you, right? This is the sell to buy order block, and also the buy to sell. The sell to buy order block, but I like the sell to buy order block, which is the demand that was introduced in the market. So the market makers, they will go ahead and introduce the demand, the order block, before we see the market consolidating above. I said to you yesterday, if you see the consolidation, if you see the market ranging, you must check above if there's an order block above that ranging market. And also you must check below if there's an order block there, right? So in other words, if you see the market consolidating here, as you see it consolidating here, you ask yourself, what sponsored this consolidation zone here? The market to consolidate like this. The market is currently ranging here. Then you ask yourself the question, what caused the market to consolidate like this? What was the cause for the market to consolidate like this? Right? What sponsored this consolidation here? You look below, you look to the upside, we look above the consolidation and below the consolidation. We see the bullish order block under consolidation. right? So we now know that the market has to push to the downside for mitigation of this zone here, of this bullish order block, before we see the long push to the upside. This video will not take long. As I said to you that this one is part 3, right? You remember that yesterday I said to you, the market will do this. The market will go ahead and create order block here, right? This is our order block here. Then the market will then shoot to the upside like this. It will start consolidating like here. Consolidate, 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 creating liquidity underneath, allowing the retail traders to buy or to participate in the market as buyers. Because there are those retail traders who are buying and selling based on double tops and bottoms, right? So the market will continue consolidating like this, and then us as retail traders, as the market is continuing to consolidate like this, we'll be asking ourselves a question: what sponsored this consolidation, right? Who is the mother of this consolidation? Below here is this order block that caused the market to consolidate there. The market makers are just creating liquidity above here, above an order block. They know exactly that after, if they see that liquidity is enough below to the sell side now, this is the buy side, this is the sell side. Because there are buy stops here, there are sell stops here, there are stop losses as well here. For those people who are buying based on triple bottom, double bottom, or all those stuff, all that stuff. And then the market will then shoot to the downside like this, mitigating this order block which you see here. After doing that, the market will then push to the upside. So we want to take the market around this zone here. We're not going to buy here. We're not going to buy here because we know that this is the liquidity zone. This is the danger zone. You can't be participating under this zone here, under consolidation. You must wait for the market to move to the downside, coming back to the order block. Remember, order block is the mother of the consolidation. This is the mother of what? Of the consolidation here. This is the same thing that you see on the price there. So the market makers, they're always creating something like this. So let's go back to the chart. Let's go back there. So now you see that the order block is this one. This is the order block that caused the market to range like this. And we're expecting the market to shoot to the downside, giving us the buy that we're waiting for. Giving us the buy here. Then we'll push the market from this zone to the upside. We'll then push the market to the upside. This is what is going to happen. This is your first TP. If the market does not collect liquidity above here, then this one will be your first TP. When you are buying US30, based on the order block which you see this side. So that is what is going to happen. Even if it is not happening tomorrow, but it has to happen. Let's say because on Friday we'll be trading a non-farm payroll news. So maybe US30 will push to the downside, coming back here, mitigating this order block, because smart man traders, the market maker does not want to lose money. They'll go ahead if they know, because they received news before us. If they know that Nasdaq and US30 or US dollar will be weak this time, they will go ahead and close all these sell orders here and mitigate this order block to prepare the market to go bullish, right? So they will go ahead and close these orders that are here. They sell to buy orders before they let the market go to the upside, right? This is what we are waiting for. This is what we are waiting for. Okay, so now this is the scenario that we are looking for when the market hit to the downside or move to or go to the downside. So waiting for scenarios like this. So I'm not going to talk too much on this video. I'm just going to end it like here. But this is what we're expecting. I hope I've explained everything in our part 2 and also part 1. Here I'm just doing an analysis. This is the final analysis that I'm doing with you. So I'll come back with the part 4 of the consolidation strategy. So thank you very much. Peace.